Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 17 Ram 1500. It's a Laramie, got lots of equipment. There's your front sensors. Body looks good. It's that kind of off-weight that Ram uses. There you can see Nerf bars, memory seats, of course power windows and locks. Start it up here. The only thing you're going to see wrong on the interior is that little lens is cracked right there, but 81,245 is the mileage. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. There's your trailer brake controls there, plus they're also in there. You got nav, remote start, bucket seats with console, and also the sunroof. You can manually change your gears if you want. That's your cruise control. Here's your menu for up there. Auto headlights, power folding mirrors, floor mats, and rear heated seats, sliding rear window. Also has a Ram box and has a spray-in bed liner. Heavy duty mud flaps on the back, Ram one, so nicely equipped. Trailer tow, of course, I said, and really in good shape. There's a little ding there, but overall very nice truck. So this is what your Ram boxes look like. Yeah, not a lot of flaws on it. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. Comprehensive means drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Best coverage you're going to get from anybody. So if you're looking for a nice Ram truck, this is definitely a good candidate. 605-692-7010. And if you are in the lot, you can come by and see. You can scan that QR code, and that'll give you our iPacking information, which is a Carfax and service records and that we have, and our warranty coverage. So a lot of good information there that's really easy to get. Alpine stereo system too, and of course sunroof. So we'll just drive this right up here so you can see it drives, which obviously it should. But 605-692-7010.